She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, deal this. Make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, deal this. Make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work.
What up, Team Buckhouse? We just got to Copper. It's actually pretty late in the day. We don't normally show up this late, but it's Black Friday and my wife wanted to go shopping. However, we would maybe bail on a day like this, but Copper just put in a new sick park, so we have to go ride it. But before we go hit the new park with a jump, I do got to mention today's video sponsor, because I'm kind of hungry after shopping, and that's Built Bar. So this is an energy bar that I like to eat here on the mountain. Once again, the food on the mountain is so expensive, so don't go spend 20 bucks on a hamburger, because a lot of times when you're on the mountain, you're like, oh, I'm kind of hungry. You're not that hungry. You just need something in your stomach to keep you going, and an energy bar is the best way to go. So when Built reached out to me, I was super excited because these bars are not only filled with a ton of protein, but they have way less sugar than most of the bars you're gonna find out on the market. So definitely check out Built Bar. The taste is amazing, but I like the texture even more. It's literally like a Three Musketeers. It's fluffy on the inside. I highly recommend them, and they have a ton of incredible tastes. I specifically like the coconut flavor the best. If you guys need an energy bar, something to get you through the mountain on the day, Built Bar is linked in the description. Use my coupon code, and I'm gonna finish this bar and we'll get up the mountain. We're gonna go snowboard, guys. So let's do this. Oh, we got the ski dog with us. Kaiser, what up, dog? What did dog do? You got a mic on, Ski Dog? Yep, I got a mic on. We're good, we're good. I actually haven't snowboarded in about a week and a half, so we'll see how I do.
Oh, I know you're going.
Yeah. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Woo! All right, we're good. Not gonna lie, guys. It is icy. Yep. These trees are sick, bro. I can't see much. So while we slow down, just so you guys know, a quick tip for riding in very icy conditions like we have at Copper is when you do a jump or a spin or whatever, try to land and ride straight for a little bit. Don't try to immediately land and take some speed off, because what's gonna happen is you're gonna slip out immediately. So land, get in a stacked position, ride a little bit, then stop, take your speed off, everything like that. So just slow down a little bit. So Copper just put in a whole new park down here by the American Flyer Lift, which looks super sick. I just haven't rode through it yet, so I have no idea what these features are, but we're still gonna send it. It looks like we can hit this flat tube and then cut over and hit the down flat down. All right, one run down. So this section right here, there's just not much jumps or things to kind of ride. We just gotta kind of deal with what we got. Dude, the ski dog rips. to slow down before you ride into the park. There are just spots of pure ice. The park is sick. They got some super fun features in there. Just once again, we've already talked about it a trillion times. The snow's a little firm. Copper definitely does not have the best snow conditions. Definitely got the best park though. This thing is heavy. But you know what Copper doesn't have that is the best? Today, sticker shout out. We got meow underscore meow underscore meow with the, I think it's the Galaxy sticker on the helmet, looking insane. So it's got nom.border with the green evolution sticker on the, I think that's a helmet. Guys, thank you so much for snagging evolution stickers. Guys, if you want any of the merch, the stickers, as well as the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, as well as the, I don't know if you noticed, we're twinning the windbreakers. We got the black with white with a hood, and then the navy blue with gold and no hood. It's a collar. It's very classy. The windbreakers are now available. You can snag those on the same website as the stickers. I'll have a link for that, guys. But snag the merch, support the dream. It's how I do this for a living, so I appreciate you guys so much for snagging the merch. Once again, if you do snag any of the merch, tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow it for bonus extra content. Okay. We didn't have a topic for today's video other than we're here.
Yeah, we have a park now.
I haven't really snowboarded hard in about a week. It may look like that, but I really haven't. We were able to stack some clips before Thanksgiving, knowing that we were going to take some time off. So, all right, more White Ribbon of Death, ice, and full send. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see if we get this half cap on. Guess we're gonna forward slide. It's super nice when you're rusty that the rails are super greasy to make up for all your rust. Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. Into the awesome trees because they're not that bad.
It's live.
You're live.
Hi.
I just filmed something for Michael's mom.
Hi, Mom.
All the cool kids are leaving, so we can, there's less people here. Make riding the park a little easier. That thing's pretty fun. Woo! I guess they're in this one. When there's less people in the park, it's easier to kind of like hit other things. Chairlift?
Sure.
That was a mistake. I was going way too fast, way too quick. Oh, that hurt my ankle. So just so you guys know, every time I hit a feature today, I've been like scared, question myself, nervous, you know. Not only did I take a whole week off because I had a little surgery, but like just we haven't rode a lot of park this early season. And I want you guys to know it is okay to have to warm up in the park to get used to it. That is why there is an early season. So whether it's S-turning or just getting on your snowboard or getting into the park, if you're like, oh, it's better last year, I'm frustrated, that sucks. It's like, nah, dude, warm up, guys. It's okay, relax, chill. This is not our sickest park day, but we have a sick park to then have a sick park day eventually when either the conditions are better or we just hit a flow state, things like that. So I can promise you this, subscribe, but tomorrow won't be our best park day either. It's a Saturday and we're not getting any snow, but we're gonna come out and we're still gonna have a great time. My whole goal was just to not fall. Have Cody run into it. This is the most sketchy spot to survive here.
Dialed that one in.
Yeah, I heard you that whole time. I was like, oh, keep going. I hear Michael on every turn. There we go. Oh, son. I was so scared I was going to run into Cody. So it's 3:30. Normally parks close at 3:30, but thankfully this one's still open.
We got the park to ourselves. When did you buy your own snowboard park?
Right? It's all to us. I got so scared because you fell. I thought,
yeah, but you probably couldn't see the wobble because I just filmed your feet.
I want to get this thing clean. We haven't gotten it clean yet. Just a nice little. Oh, son. Get it, Cody. Get it, Cody. Oh, for the wall. This is really a sick park. So Woodward Copper, guys, like, thank you. You don't have to put in parks this sick this early, but I'm so happy you do. We just need some real snow to mix in with this man-made stuff to make it money. Everyone on the East Coast, just so you know, the West Coast has ice too. No, the park is closed. I told you sometimes they close at 3:30. I think we got lucky last run. So we got a nice ice run down, and this guy's saying what's up. What's up? What's your name?
Matthew.
Nice to meet you, dude. All right, this one's Chipmunk. Here we go. We're like decently low on battery, so if you hear any weird noises, just I don't want to change the battery, guys.
I don't want to change. My battery's over.
It's definitely less crowded. Hit these mobiles.
Woo! That's a shot. Woo!
The ski dock, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget your house, your car, wherever you are. Hit up Michael for a tune. He's been staying busy. Thanks for using them.
Yeah, thanks guys for keeping me busy. Love getting all you guys' families ready for the slopes. Now let's get some more filming.
Jump right here. I'm gonna do a 360. It does look like this park's still open. Yeah, it's still open. Let's go.
Let's go.
Now we could mix it up. I'm just now starting to feel warmed up, so we're gonna keep it the same. Here we go. And once again, we're just kind of trying to warm up for the park. So we're gonna do a 50-50. Tubular. Woo, let's go. Thanks, man. I love little walls like that so much. Just so you guys know too, American Flyer is now open. I don't know what's open over there. So obviously we're attracted to the park. Conditions at Copper are still pretty ice, it's still pretty firm.
That's fun.
Remember, like, be careful. Just because of that.
See ya.
Okay, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. Don't forget you can snag the Evolution windbreakers now, the jacket I just wore today and I've been wearing in the other videos. The Insta360, the camera we've been filming with all season long, is on sale for Black Friday. Just use my affiliate link. Not only will you get the camera for 10% off, you get the little invisible pole, like how I stuck it out of the gondola, it disappeared, as well as the full snow media package. I'm the only person that has that deal with the affiliate link, and it's for a $61 value. So guys, thank you so much for all the love, all the support, all the opportunities because of you guys. And with that, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. Thanks for shredding with us today. I'm messing up. See you guys tomorrow with another video.